Previously on The Bartender.
If you pray somebody don't go like you want to stay around me and draw me out, you know.
Are you happy in your relationship?
Why you ask that?
You don't look happy.
This have to show you say me and a housewife or shop worker. Me as somebody who have needs. And expect my man to attend to them.
Goody, I start a little thing at the bar out here, so I look a karaoke thing. I'm going to use it as a training.
Alright, you can't tell me what he go, what he do, what he dress.
Honey, I'm home.
Everything alright?
It's just my ex-husband about to leave.
I forget a ride. Off it. Strap up.
What you do with gun, Winston?
We are doing a bag 5.
After we got divorced, they pick up this little youth, some DJ or singer or something like that.
Sandra!
Winston, baby mother, Sandra for you. Can you believe it? This dude has a girlfriend. Guess what she's called? 5!
Fine.
Suppose we be in and naked.
Stars just walking in the room.
That's why we have that conversation here.
Big marijuana sale is going down this week. These are the suspects who are doing the selling. So, your best friend is into land scamming, and your nephew is into drug trafficking. You have your hands full, Agent.
Look at car crash, buckle mash. Them can't style me and them not get flop. I got my money, I mean take stop.
Simone, it lack conviction. Try it again.
Look at car crash, buckle mash. Them can't style me and them not get flop. I got my money, I mean take stock. Some girl photo shoot.
It's still not strong enough.
Dear man, me can't bother you know. Me tell you somebody want an artist. I have forced this year you know.
You know, say you get frustrated too easy.
So I must get frustrated. Look here, me I go upstairs because I can't bother with this.
Simone,
Where you get this?
you know, so the room underneath the stairs, I always wonder why you stay far from the room there. No, I realize say memory room that.
Where you going there for the man?
Me da look for one book with some contacts. I me da wonder if you put it in there. So tell me something. You did marry to your landlord too?
That is a long story. I don't want to talk about it now.
How fool you must take me for? You think me idiot? How long you and him stop attack? I must look him and look you.
Carlton, you're too jealous you know. I can't have friends again.
How about got a friend? You don't need no friend. Me your only friend. Me give you everything you need. You don't need no friend.
Let me tell you something. Me is not your property here, so get that out of your head.
So I talk to you, don't walk in front of me. Your wife, I'm your property.
So alright, Goody. What about this book? With 23 songs, including the one where I do now.
So what that say?
It's a music in you, I just afraid to let it out.
I let it out. In the book.
I could be the man where you want, but maybe be the man where put you on the right track for music. You can write, you have a song, and you tell me say you want to fling where you got given talent.
Sandra! Sandra! You see my bracelet? Sandra! You see my bracelet?
That old thing, I threw it out in the trash. I'll buy you another one, alright?
You do what? Sandra, me need my bracelet!
Carlton, I said that thing is old. I'm gonna get you a new one, alright? Do it yourself.
Sandra, listen to me. You need my bracelet. Now find it. Let me tell you something. You see this and this. Don't touch them. You understand? Are we clear?
Crystal. Mr. Wallace. You know, I feel like I want a bar.
That's why it's so expensive. That sounds like a plan. Can make that happen. Where you want to have this?
At the back of the house.
Our house?
No, not the one that we're living in. No, the other one.
Okay. Well, I'll call up my people and we'll draw the plans and you pick your furniture and the style you want and all these things. How soon do you want to do this?
As soon as possible.
They'll give you a bar. So we have to be happy. Alright?
Christ take rest off for 7 days, no, brother. So, you know what I do? Go in the shop and reach one chase and two. Tell 5 to send me a brown bag. Styles.
Yo.
Knock the door before you go in. You do a thing the other day, brother, I'm not treat you rate, you see me? I don't live alone, you see me?
Yeah, bro, guy. Stop that big of the brown bag, please.
So everything you want you send for?
Oh, you don't know, it's our friend, man, you know, one link. You don't know it, bro. Thanks, here.
Yo, give me this. Go back out when the front. Soon far.
Winston, can I talk to you for a minute? We need that in the house? We seriously need that in the house?
And that one same question you ask me right now, don't you? sound anything sensible to yourself? Ask me them question. You know see what I go on 5?
No. Can you not tell me what I want? I'ma ask you how much in time. All me I get from you is me go fix things, me go set things, Ray, this, that, Ray. You not tell me no, me not understand that.
All me I get from you are argument and complaints. Me not get no type of understanding from your 5.
What me
You see
go
me?
understand what me no know?
Listen to me, man. You see me 3 points them? Them me I try to protect.
You
And here,
soon have none.
that you are pray for.
And that you are go for.
Yo, let me tell you something, 5. You see me? Yo, you expect somebody?
Denise!
Winston, father. Daddy, Winston.
Chrome like the rims on the BM. W my cup, me no see them. Chrome like the rims on the BM. Look at you! Can't crash, buckle mash. Them can't style me and them not get flat. I got my money, I mean take stock. Some girl photo shoot is a mugshot. Roll out the beamer.
You know something like it?
Me like it, you know.
And it not even mix and master yet. See me I tell you say you have something in your well want come out.
Can't believe say you really make my record song. I like it. Really like it.
Want to hear it again though?
Why not? Show me the rings from the BM. W my gut, me no see them.
Me nah itch up and down a man arm like Roland. Me a body plus and a boy can't try program me. You can't tell me where fi go, oh me the idiot. Lord God, karaoke time, so come here now. I see how I sing a karaoke later, you see man.
Jesus!
Well, my name is Twilla still. Jesus, as far as I know, was one who died for our sins.
No sir, you frightened me. She look like two somebody in a one.
Wow, I've never really heard that one before.
For you sir, see her when you come.
You know, you are very hilarious. I didn't get your name enough.
But my name here, sir. My name is Charmaine the Charmer, and your karaoke hostess. So you come to sign up for your karaoke, sir?
No, I am here to see DB. Is he here?
I'm in the studio, sir.
Alright, darling. Thanks. Here?
Mr. Chilla, sir. Come here. Me can't touch them there? Who is there, man? That's why we can't get phone if you gilly.
Yeah, I don't know enough. Later, yeah.
Alright, sir. Jesus.
Deadly, like homicide. Me a born wife, I'm in a textile. My face cute, but not for us. Body thick and round, but not for us.
Oh, that chiller. The girl them chocolate vanilla.
Well, Mama J, big up yourself in the DB. Hello.
Hello.
Nice to meet you. I'm Chilla. What's your name?
Chiller, this is the wife. The girlfriend. Chiller, meet Goody.
Okay, so this is Goody. The one we talk about on tour. Love of your life. The one where she say you can't left her. She say, yo, you if you ever left her, she'll go mad. You understand?
God,
That's the Goody I talk about. Just say Goody, right?
Chill. Goody, I'm a good friend. Me I put her in the music thing. She have a song and she can write.
Alright. Is this your first recording?
Yeah.
Sound good still. Play it again on DB. Let me hear it.
Chrome like the rings from the beard. W my gut, me no see them. Chrome like the rings from the beard. Look at you. Can't crush, back to mash. Them can't style me and them no get flop. I got my money, I mean take stock. Some girl photo shoot is a mugshot. You allow the beam and crack up the X5. But also hard, yeah, and leave my best side. But flow dead.
Stop it there. Sound really good still. If you're serious about this thing, I have a link, you know. And film skill set is recording and creating a style and an image and a sound for artists, you know. You can get a connection if you're interested still, you know. So you have potential, not like. What do you think?
Chiller, yes, she ready.
You sure? Alright.
She ready.
Alright, cool. Let's set it up. You got yourself, you know.
Oh dear.
Nice to meet you.
Science! Science again, science again. Hubakaba, science again, science again.
So, this is another half.
Yes, Daddy.
But the other half is not acting on behalf of you. You're acting on the quarter. Not on behalf of my daughter. The house. The house. Nice and beautiful. But something heavy inside ya. Sitting where not supposed to be in ya. In ya. And it's a heavy down the house. Young man. Shake up. Your folly ground. Something. The bag. Something about this bag. That bag. Tag. That bag. So, you want to go places. But it's the wrong place. Change your direction. A word to the wise is sufficient. Denise.
Yes, Daddy.
I feel your time now. I feel your time now. Denise. You can't see and saw like you is 10 and saw. You have to make up your mind. You can't hip and a hop like you have to do one drop. So it's either this shop, and if it's not Michael Jackson, I don't want to hear about no blasted thriller. You might backslide to backside. You have to decide about the locks. And mind the locks become interlocks. A word to the wise is sufficient. Who have ears to hear, let them hear. Denise, you no cook. I'm hungry.
Daddy, so want me to...
Don't ask me about Mildred. I send her home for the holidays. Young man, I want you to take care of my daughter. It's the only picnic I got. I also want you to prepare yourself for a visit. It might not be the most pleasant visit, but prepare. And you, Denise, your friend, Miss Goody, she too must prepare herself for a visit. I have to go now. And when me things them now. Denise! What is that? What?
Daddy, it's just the little girl next door, bus clappers.
You sure about that?
Yes, Daddy.
Shepherd, forward for your things then.
No, young man. You bring that box to me.
Press star to make it your tune.
Hey, babe.
Where are you, Alexandra?
Guess what?
What now?
So, Akeem got all A's on his first exam. Can you believe it?
John, I'm proud of him, man.
I know, me too. Even in math, where I thought that he was having a little bit of trouble with the addition and the subtraction, he came through in flying colors. I can't believe it. We should definitely go out and celebrate. What do you think?
Sounds very man. Kind of let me do something right now. I'm proud of Akeem and all that. May have to go reason about that at a different time, you understand?
What you mean this is important? It's about Akeem.
Sandra, like I said before, kind of in the middle of something right now. Be sure to back. You hear that?
So you like him like that?
Want the truth?
Absolute truth.
Physically, yeah. Say,
Boy, sexy up 5. But seriously, Bubbles, the boy body hot.
me hear you. Oh, me I hear you.
But I know say Shapi your nephew and everything. But me no want you
But nothing 5. Listen, me not play bias towards this, you know. Family don't have nothing to do with this. And your happiness counts.
That's why I'm rate you.
You need to talk to Shapi though.
Well, you have got time with him. Because when him up on the road, him not answer him phone.
And your nephew is into drug trafficking. You have your hands full, Agent. The only good thing is when they get taken down, they won't know it's you who's undercover.
Bubbles, where you going?
No man, I something crab crossed my mind a while ago. So what you have a picture of it? Hot rats. Come down.
Damian! Bring the bar key, come from the place. This is just the time, I'm gonna show me she's so cold. Who left me now?
So, from last night, I'm not sleeping now.
What the problem?
Why you never tell me say you're married?
Me not tell you someone I want to talk about this.
Goody, you really not think me deserve an explanation?
If me never tell you when we're there, it matter now.
Alright, Goody.
Damian, come here.
What, Goody?
I did long before me and you, right? We're going to do some things closer to the end part of the marriage. So it's a sensitive thing we don't really like to talk about. And I mean, we keep it from here for all these years because I never think it's necessary. But I just want to them thing there. So Puma tell us say, but make me and him really kick off. It's because of you.
Because of me?
One party, where would it go? I think it was some stone of anniversary. And we did it at the bar. Yeah. And he da order some things and them couldn't hear me. And you signal to the bartender, man. And you get the stuff them for me and you put them in the bucket. You see when you talk to me and then they have a problem with it.
But look how long me had together. You still could have tell me.
As you say, it's very sensitive. You notice some places in our house may not go?
Miss Goody, aye! So Miss Goody, you place already yet? I say Miss Goody, don't make sense to me come from yesterday things say you say karaoke now.
No, Charmaine. That's today. And you're very early as usual.
Alright, Miss Goody, make you fix up the place before your people them start come.
Oh my god, I can't believe this was so far. Thank God I have GPS because I would have definitely got lost.
No, mom. In the crossroad, I want karaoke now.
Okay. Thank you.
Hello.
Excuse me. Is Winston here?
Winston?
They call him Shoppy.
Oh, Shoppy! If the day you're in a miss, but you still go and say so come back.
Alright then, I'll just wait in the van.
Alright.
Okay.
Any hours of the night, tell me to come flick. I go flick.
Charmaine.
Eh? You hear me I tell you no?
What you watch?
And me there, sir, look about the karaoke and me see this come up with this.
But that really resemble you.
And that me there, so I sit down and I look at you and I miss Goody.
You sure your sister?
No, me don't know him. Oh God, Miss Goody, I cry.
Come. That's not our business. Come pack up that thing there.
Miss Goody, me feel it for him though.
Charmaine.
So they think you're going to tell Miss Goody? But Miss Goody, you know me, I look at it true. And he favor me, you know?
Especially the eye.
For true, you know, Miss Goody? Miss Goody, me glad I know me. That's why me prefer to in a country.
Come pack up the people and soon come.
Alright, Miss Goody. Sir, where you want? Mr. Sir.
How we talk to? Barkeep. And I want money now.
Oh, sorry, miss. Where you want?
Me a shot at NSC on the rocks.
Barkeep. And flask I can fire on book.
Hey, Goody, make sure you have my song, you know.
Baby. Oh, go on.
Bartender. I wish that mix up over there.
He must be here right now.
Itonan! Good night, everybody. I am your host with the most, Charmaine. Woo!
What a job!
up our man.
And can you sing one song?
Yeah.
By me.
Yeah.
Aye.
Yeah.
By you. I get wings to fly. Oh, I'm alive. Me not dead.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Champion.
Champion. What the champion?
Yeah. You call for me.
Yeah.
When you call for me.
Yeah.
When I hear you breathe. I get wings to fly. I feel that I'm alive. Me not dead.
Yeah.
When you look at me, when you look for me, I can touch the sky. I know that I'm alive. Me not dead. Oh. When you play, Miss Goody, is it not run too fast, you know?
What?
Miss Goody, I run too fast, man.
What run fast, Charmaine?
Miss Goody, me think you man the road there, sir. I put up your words, you know.
Which man?
Alright, let's see my next time.
No. You did good a while ago. You did good a while ago.
Alright, Miss Goody.
Alright. Come shop it, because we know say you're a big singer, you know, so no matter feel like say I'm get
Put it
to
at school.
Come drop something, man, and start going, so.
I try that thing, man. Yo, we love draw out people, you know. Easy, you know, good. Girl, you know we belong together. I don't have no time for you to be playing with my heart like this. You'll be mine forever, baby. You just see. We belong together. And you know that I'm right. Why do you play with my heart? Why do you play with my mind? Said we'd be forever.
Champion, so you could I sing?
Said it never died. Sandra, what you doing?
Why you stop singing, Winston? I can't believe you remembered our favorite song.
Oh, good night, everybody. 4. No, wait. 3. Wait, hold on. Don't tell me. 5. Hi.
Goody, me have one karaoke song with me you want to sing here?
Sandra, what are you
Hold on, I want to hear what she has to
Yo,
say.
you messing the man. What?
Me give me love. Why you do me this? Why you do me this? Me give me love and so why you do with it? Why? So why you do with it? You're not ready at all, ready for all this unconditional love I got for you. This love I got for you. You're not ready at all, ready for all.
You do what? Sandra! Sandra! Sandra, my bracelet!
Yeah, nigga, you throw my wig off. Shit.
Yo, Shotty. Shot man, what today?
Brother, even Jesus he takes.
Please check to ensure that you
Wow. in your time now. You can't see and a saw like you is 10 a saw. Make up your mind. It's either the shop or if it's not Michael Jackson, I don't want to hear no blasted Thriller. You might backslide to a backside.